Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Boob Tape is probably one of the most revolutionary fashion accessories to hit the market, offering unparalleled support and lift without the constraints of traditional bras, allowing you to confidently rock backless, strapless, or deep V necklines with a seamless, invisible finish that truly transforms your outfit and empowers your style for any occasion, from red carpet events to everyday wear. Number 5. VOCH GALA Double-Sided Tape for Clothes and Body. Introducing VOCH GALA Double-Sided Tape, your discreet solution for fashion emergencies. This innovative product offers a reliable hold for all your clothing and body needs. Each pack comes with 100 convenient strips, ensuring you're always prepared. They are easy to use and perfect for on-the-go adjustments. Experience a strong, dependable adhesive that keeps your garments perfectly in place. It's designed to prevent slips and wardrobe malfunctions throughout your day. Whether it's securing a plunging neckline or fixing a slipping strap, this tape is incredibly versatile. It works seamlessly on both fabric and skin, providing peace of mind. Crafted from high-quality PU film, it's gentle on your skin while providing a firm grip. You'll barely notice it's there, allowing you to move with confidence and comfort. Say goodbye to fashion mishaps with this essential tool. It offers instant solutions for hems, gaps, and any clothing adjustment you might need. Achieve a flawless look with a secure fit that lasts. This tape ensures your outfits stay exactly how you want them, from morning to night. What we like? This option gives you a generous 100 strips, perfect for daily fashion emergencies. Its strong adhesive ensures your clothes stay put all day long. If you need a reliable, high-quantity solution for various clothing and body fixes, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as requested. Number 4. VBT Boob Tape. Discover the secret to a perfect silhouette. This innovative tape provides an instant, natural-looking lift, giving you confidence all day long. Designed specifically for breast lifting, it conforms comfortably to your body. You can wear it with any outfit, ensuring a seamless look. Each pack includes 2 reusable silicone breast covers for extra comfort and nipple protection. They are soft, gentle, and easy to clean. Whether you have an A cup or a G cup, this tape is engineered to provide reliable support. It's strong yet comfortable, adapting to your unique shape. Its nude shade blends seamlessly with most skin tones, making it virtually undetectable under clothing. Enjoy the freedom of going braless with complete confidence. Experience the difference with this complete breast lift solution. It's more than just tape, it's your secret to feeling fabulous and secure. What we like? This product is specifically designed for breast lift, offering excellent support for AG cups. It comes with reusable silicone covers, adding extra comfort and protection. If you're looking for dedicated breast support with added nipple coverage, this comprehensive set is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Busties Boob Tape Kit. Discover the secret to perfect cleavage and comfortable support. This innovative kit is designed to give you the confidence you deserve for any outfit. Applying it is incredibly easy, ensuring a hassle-free experience every time. Its universal fit means it works for everyone, providing a seamless look. Achieve an instant breast lift without the need for a traditional bra. It provides firm yet gentle support, enhancing your natural shape beautifully. Specifically designed to offer superior support for larger breasts, it ensures comfort and security throughout the day or night. You'll feel secure and lifted. Each pack comes complete with everything you need, the tape, along with petals and covers for added comfort and discretion. It's a comprehensive solution for your needs. Its nude color makes it virtually invisible under any clothing, allowing you to wear your favorite styles with confidence. No more visible bra lines or straps. What we like? This kit provides an all-in-one solution, making application incredibly simple for anyone. Its universal fit ensures it works for a wide range of body types and needs. If you're new to boob tape or prefer a straightforward, complete package, this is a fantastic starting point. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as per the instructions. Number 2. Linda's Essentials Double-Sided Tape. Introducing Linda's Essentials, your ultimate solution for fashion emergencies. This innovative tape keeps your clothes perfectly in place. It's designed for all your clothing, body, and fashion needs. From securing necklines to fixing hems, it's incredibly versatile. Forget the hassle of sewing or ironing. This tape offers a quick and easy fix, saving you time and effort. It provides a strong, reliable hold for various fabrics. You can trust it to keep your garments secure throughout the day. This clear adhesive is also safe and gentle for direct skin application. It ensures comfort and confidence without irritation. Each pack contains 100 pieces, ensuring you always have a supply on hand. It's an essential item for every woman's wardrobe. What we like. With 100 strips, this tape offers ample supply for all your fashion needs, from hems to necklines. It's designed to be gentle on both skin and fabric, preventing irritation or damage. If you prioritize a large quantity of tape that's both effective and kind to your skin and clothes, this is a great pick. What people say. Number 1. Linda's Essentials Double-Sided Fashion Tape. Take control of your wardrobe with this premium double-sided tape. It's designed to handle fashion emergencies like sagging necklines or slipping straps, providing a secure hold for your clothing. Experience comfort and confidence in any outfit, knowing it will stay perfectly in place. This body tape is engineered for all-day use, unlike other brands that falter. It features strong adhesiveness, ensuring your clothing stays exactly where you want it. Trust it to provide long-lasting hold without irritation or discomfort. Stay prepared wherever you go with its sleek travel tin, perfectly sized for your purse. Each pack includes 75 pre-cut strips, providing ample tape for quick fixes. Whether securing necklines or repairing hems, this versatile tape keeps your clothing flawlessly in place. This hypoallergenic tape is designed to be skin-safe and won't cause irritation. Stop ruining your clothing with holes from metal pins. Unlike them, it's invisible to everyone but you. There are no lumpy marks or lines that often appear with pins. As a trusted family-owned business, we stand behind the quality of our products. We are proud to serve over 5 million happy customers. Choose this tape for reliable, high-quality fashion solutions. What we like. This product stands out with its convenient travel tin, perfect for on-the-go fixes. Its hypoallergenic formula ensures comfort for even the most sensitive skin. If you need a discreet, skin-friendly option that's always ready in your purse, this is your go-to. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.